Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of engineering economics. So in these couple of videos we are discussing about the cost output relationship. So in the past video we have seen about what is the actual relationship between cost and output. Output is nothing but the product. So how the various determinants that are involved in producing a product or the output decides the cost of a product that we have discussed in the previous video. So the basic factors like size of the plant, output level, price of the inputs, technologies, these are the functions that decides the cost of a product. So here S is the size of the plant or the scale of productions. So certain companies may be small scale, certain will be in a large scale, and their productions will be very high compared to small size firms. So that's that size of the plant, which includes the machineries, manpower involved, those are considered as a part of the size of the plant. So what are the costs involved in those scale of production or the size of plant? That is a function that determines the cost. And output level, whether I'm producing 100 pieces per day or 1000 pieces per day, output level is the degree of output, or it may not be constant, it changes with respect to the customer's demand. And P is the prices of the input. Here input refers to the raw materials, electricities, your furnitures, machineries, etc. And T is the technologies, because in certain companies everything will be automated, and in certain company manpower is highly relied. So those technologies are new upgradations they make in the company that requires some costs, right? So that is also a determinant of predicting the cost of a product. So this was discussed in the previous video. Now we will see the cost output relationship classifications based on the period. So there are two different types of periods. One is short run period and one is long run period. Based on those, the cost function will also get changes. So in economics theory, the short run is defined as the period during which the physical capacity of the firm is fixed and the output can be increased only by using the existing capacity. So without changing any physical capacity, we will change the output level. That is what short run is all about. But long run means, as the name implies, it is a long run. So you change the physical capacity of the firm, and you also changes the variables like raw materials, labors, etc. So altogether the company will make a change in each and every activity they do so as to achieve the change in output level. That is what long run is all about. Now we will see how this cost function will be determined for short run and long run. So first, the cost concepts made use of the cost behaviors are total cost, average cost, marginal cost. So in general, the total cost will be equal to TFC plus TVC, which is TFC means total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So in this video we will first see the relationship between cost output in short run. So in general, cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. In short run, this fixed cost remains constant because to certain level of productions, like the cost of plant, building equipment, etc., will remain fixed. So the cost incurred for these plant, building equipment, etc., will also be fixed. So the total fixed cost, that is, as the name implies, it remains fixed for a certain level of production. But the total variable cost, that is the labor cost, raw materials, and the output will have an impact on the total cost, because we know cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. So this variable cost changes, and hence the total cost will also get changes, because if because we know that to produce 100 chocolates, the raw materials will be different, the cost for purchasing those raw materials will be different. If I'm increasing the production level to 1000 per day, then the raw material needed per day will be increased. Also the cost for purchasing those raw materials will also get increases. So the total variable cost will varies as per the variation in the output, and also the marginal cost and associated fixed average cost will also get changes. So in short run, there will not be any change in total fixed cost, because the fixed parameters will remains constant for a short run period. Hence the changes in variable cost, hence the changes in the total cost implies changes in total variable cost only. So that is what cost output relationship in short run is all about. So in short run, the total cost can be calculated mainly by calculating the total variable cost, because the total fixed cost will remain constant, it will fix it. So in this video, I hope you have had a clear idea about short run cost output relationship. In the next video, we will see about long run cost output relationship. Thank you. Thanks for listening.